Capital is set to list in the bosses today. Now, even as the GMP indicates listing closer to the issue price of about 326 rupees per share. Let's check with Harsh. What is he penciling in for Tata Capital? Harsh, over to you. Good morning.
Well, yes, good morning. Yes, there was deep interest in the Tata Capital IPO, 2 times oversubscribed. So that was the one key positive, 326 rupees per share, upper end of the price band. And what we also saw is around 7,000 crore being raised by the company with regard to fresh equity capital. That obviously adds to the growth prospects as well for the company. Now, let me talk a little bit about what the premium could be. It was trading at around a 10% premium in the grey market, but when you're looking at it on a broader base basis, that has cooled off as we've gone ahead. A 360 rupee listing could well mean around a 10% listing pop, but we'll have to obviously wait and watch for that. At that kind of a price point, you'd be around 4+ times in terms of price to book, and at around 30+ times in terms of price to earnings. So valuation certainly not the cheapest in that sense. Broadly, of course, any kind of a listing pop could mean that a 5% listing pop could mean that the stock lists at around 342 rupees a piece, and a 10% pop could mean around a 360 rupees odd listing pop. The interest from the QIBs was strong at 3.5 odd times. You saw NIIs, employees also participating. Retail, not as much, just 1 time over, or rather 1.1 times. So only a 10% oversubscription is what we saw on the retail side of things. Something to watch out for, of course, Tata Capital.
All right, thank you so much, Harsh, for getting us all those details. But with this, let's also tell you which are the other cues that we will be watching out for. India will be releasing its CPI data, so all eyes will be on